Inspiration is everywhere. Today we're going to be creating this piece of lettering together from a piece of signage that I saw in Bath & Body Works, advertising their summer scents. Hidden within this piece of signage are many effects that we can recreate using Procreate. Draw with me step by step and let's create together. Hello, and welcome back to the AGF Design Studio channel. Here we discuss all things hand lettering, creative tutorials, and product reviews. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for weekly videos. All right, let's get right into it. As always, we'll start with our guide layers. For this, I'm going to be using the Studio Pen found under the inking category. I'll link my videos to guides in the description box below. This will help us as we work to build the base of our lettering, to make sure that our work is straight and level. As you can see, I take basic shapes and use them to create each of the letters in our image. This is done through duplicating, so I don't have to worry about redrawing and consistency. Once we have our base of letters down, it's time to start working out the details. Let's identify the details that we have from our image. Here we have a nice golden stroke, a gradient, a nice 3D effect, and a drop shadow. And we're going to tackle each of these details step by step. First, the stroke. To achieve the stroke, we're going to be using a clipping mask. Then we're simply going to carefully trace along the outer edge of each of our letters. And of course, we can't forget about our color. We're going to be adding a nice gradient effect to our lettering that we can achieve by using a clipping mask. Your clipping mask should be positioned directly above the letters that you want to color, so your frontmost layer. To achieve a nice smooth transition between your gradient colors, I suggest using a brush in the airbrushing category. Next, we'll duplicate our letter layer and close out our gaps to create a 3D effect. I've got another fun tutorial on how to create three-dimensional effects for your lettering that I'll link in the description box below. Drop a like on this video if this is making you excited for summer. Next, taking your backmost layer, duplicate it, and shift it back slightly. Now accessing our effects panel, we're going to go down to Gaussian blur and select layer. Then you'll run your Apple Pencil slowly against your screen from left to right. This will create a nice soft drop shadow blur effect. And last but definitely not least, our background color. For the sake of this tutorial, I used a color that was similar to the ones that were used in the background of the signage that I saw. And that's it from me, guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and that you learned something new. The biggest takeaway that I have for you guys from this tutorial is always be looking. Use your surroundings as your inspiration. It'll sharpen your skills, your typographic eye, and it'll help you and keep you practicing. I thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.